If it's a Pharah, if it's a Doomfist Reaper, you're gonna play it slow and wait for our Pharah to get some damage in.
Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
So they are holding back.
Holding
Yeah, you
back,
can go, you
yeah.
can go.
Power.
Let's go with Ace Pharah, let's go.
Let's go. Ready? Tell me, Muse.
Watch the top left.
Ready for the pull?
Falling.
Do behind, go.
Oh yeah, shit.
Reaper left side. Reaper left side. Look left side.
Do right,
Tomorrow's not coming.
Reaper right. Pulling.
Rising.
Nice call.
Sigma.
Reaper right
Nice.
side. Reaper right side.
Don't right side, don't right side.
Reaper's on rotating to
Point,
right.
Yeah.
He's playing close right. Close left side.
Pulling. Look at Ursa.
Reaper behind, Reaper behind.
Yeah.
Do behind,
I
do
got
behind.
you, I got you, I
No
got
fight,
you.
no fight. Reaper on me. Reaper dead.
No fade. Nice.
Lucio top.
I'm coming. Do.
Pulling.
Yeah,
Lucio
these-
spawn.
Nice.
Nice. Lucio.
It's one. Nice, guys.
Nice, good job. Okay, they've got McQueen now, so we're gonna swap the Pharah to Reaper.
Okay.
Let's let the McQueen get out. Yeah. We're gonna play point, they're gonna have Mayu ult, that's it.
Objective A.
Okay, that's fun.
So let's play aggressive, they have the McQueen, push them off the high ground. And we'll go for it.
I'm going.
They're coming high ground, they're coming high ground.
Yeah, ready.
Pulling.
Let's push,
All
push
together.
Bipped off.
Do on the ground.
Dead.
I pushed in, I pulled in.
Listen,
We need to push.
listen.
We need to push. But
Yeah, I got it.
Right?
Cap, go. Okay.
Watch out, they're split.
I will not ready.
Pulling.
oh, Salo.
Nice. Go for the McQueen. McQueen's one. Nice.
I'm low, behind.
Mayu's on point.
I'm
Mayu.
pulling now.
Sigma.
Nice. Very good.
They use Mayu. They've got Reaper Doom. They're gonna have Doom Pistol. They're gonna have Sigma ult. And they're gonna be close to Bongo.
Doof is on top there.
Team to the right.
Nice.
Okay. Next fight, we look for Bongo. Sigma first, force cooldowns, and then we go with Bongo ult.
Okay.
Reaper's still right.
I would pull
Yeah.
together.
Right, okay, Doom
Okay.
top.
Let me know what you want me to do.
Brook out front
Yeah.
side.
Yeah,
Let me know
pull
what you
for
want me
Sigma.
to do. Well, yeah,
They're
yeah.
coming top.
They're going top? Okay. Just play close under, We still have Sigma Bongo.
Shield.
Ready?
Reaper's top right. Reaper's top right.
Pulling.
Yeah?
I forced the grade. They don't have a grade.
You want me?
No beat.
Let's kill it. I'm dead.
Lucio
Hold
point. Focus point.
Pulling. I'm low.
Reaper used
No,
ult.
no, no, no.
Doofus used ult.
Reaper used ult.
Doofus used ult.
Doom. Yeah, they use Doom, they use Beat, they use Sigma, they use Moira. So they have Bongo, Bongo Reaper ult, that's it. Next fight we can engage with...
Okay.
Let's engage with the Moira and look for Reaper ult mid-fight, okay? After their cooldowns.
Okay.
Let's take the high ground
Okay.
top left.
Should take over.
We'll save my points for the Reaper.
Doomfist is top left there, somewhere.
Let's go.
You're missing two.
It's okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yep.
Pulling.
Ready for the pull?
Focus the core, Bongo. Doom behind.
Reaper's top right.
I'm dead.
Doom.
I died.
Noob's behind.
It's winnable.
Yeah, Reaper's on me.
I
Reaper's
got
on me.
punched. Reset. They use Moira, they use... they're gonna have
Bongo.
Reaper ult. They use Moira Bongo, okay. So they're gonna have Reaper ult and close to Doom again. My beat got cancelled. So let's just look to go point here. We're not gonna take the high ground.
Okay.
So let's go underneath them through the middle. Let me pick up Reaper. Cool. So we're gonna speed under and go towards point. Ready? 3,
Pulling at
2,
top there.
1.
Look at top.
Come. Just pull
Oh,
under.
no,
Pull under.
ready.
Go.
Go.
Come.
Get too slow. They're
do that.
splitting.
Way too slow. This is your point.
Reaper on me. Pulling Reaper me.
Need to call out your ult high.
I'm dead.
Yes.
Salo says low.
Reset.
I'm sitting
Split too much. Just follow me, please.
They're gonna have Sigma ult again, they're gonna have Beat again, and Doom ult close to Bongo. Let's engage with the Moira this fight, look for pull Doom.
Don't
Okay.
take. Same thing, right?
Same thing, yeah. But this time we all be together, all go faster. Ready? 3, 2, 1,
Go.
speeding.
I've been pulled
I'm
up.
on point. Push
Oh,
back.
this is shift,
Max,
shift,
Max,
go point,
Max,
go point.
Max.
I'm ready for the ultimate.
Look for Moira.
Pulling.
Doom coming in.
Lucio dead. I
Top
think.
right side.
We pull low. We pull low.
Both tanks on me. Both tanks on me. Need help.
You down?
Sigma's low.
Look at tanks. Listen to shift.
Listen one.
Nice. Focus the Doom.
Doom first.
Where is one? No,
Play
no,
point, play
no.
point, play point.
Do one. Moira, Lucio. Whipping Lucio, one. Lucio.
We're on that side.
Nice.
Hey, push.
Okay. No. We
Checking
don't
for
have a Rissa. Don't have a
respawns.
Rissa.
Coming.
These Doom ults. So these Doom, they use Moira. They're gonna have Reaper, Bongo,
Save
Sigma.
Reaper.
They use Reaper, okay. They use Sigma to start the fight, so he's gonna be close.
I'm
Definitely
setting
gonna
up
have Reaper.
corner now.
So
Oh,
I'm
sorry.
gonna TP behind him
It's
and
Bongo.
then, well, when we use Bongos.
Yeah, after,
Give me
when
some
they
top.
use...
They
when
use Bongo. Go back.
Ready?
Kite there.
Kite.
Don't need to play there.
No. When we go back in, we go with Bongo Reaper, okay?
Okay.
It's it.
I have no
Let's
cooldowns.
go. We can go.
Reaper. Well, every low.
Oh,
Wait.
He left.
Yeah, I have my core.
Ready? Go.
Let's go.
Speeding.
Pulling.
Oh, I'm dead.
Orisa.
Nice. Keep going.
Doing Reaper
put it
right
down.
side.
Reaper
Yeah,
right.
kill him quick.
Reaper no Rave.
I got...
Fuck.
Kill this Reaper.
Okay.
He's one.
Falling.
Dead.
That's
Mara.
No shift. Keep chasing.
Someone on Cal.
Nice.
No. Okay.
There's still Sigma B's out.
They're
Set
gonna
up
have Sigma
corner.
ult, they're gonna have Reaper, they're gonna have Doom.
I'm pulling up here.
Next fight, don't
Okay.
use anything. I'm gonna beat for Sigma. We're gonna go
Oh,
in.
what?
with
Sigma
full
1,
Doom
Sigma
after.
1. Burst tanks low, burst tanks low.
Pull.
I can pull one. Pulling one. Pulling now.
Okay. Oh.
Got you.
It's okay. Back out. Back up. We're close to Moira, and
I'm
Sigma.
holding here.
Play for point,
Doom is on the
guys.
left.
Yeah.
Zoom in.
Nice.
Pulling.
I've got beat, you're safe.
No, I'm
Reaper.
dead.
Look at Reaper no Rave.
Yeah, I see my steam. Right side of point. He's on our
Moira's
Orisa.
flipping.
Please.
Fight lost, I think.
Moira's one.
Reaper's done.
Need to get out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's okay, we have Sigma ult coming up. Okay, they're gonna have Doom, they're gonna have Doom, Beat, and Reaper.
Yep.
Okay.
Dead for Sigma.
Let's go through main. I'm gonna try and boop them off the high ground. We look for Sigma ult to engage.
Yeah.
False cooldowns, and we go hard with the DPS, okay?
Okay.
Ready?
Ready?
Pulling.
Reaper's off the high ground, Reaper's on high ground.
Full speed.
Here's
Reaper's pulled up, by the way.
Doom is behind.
Doom.
Doom.
I'm pulled in.
Reaper's
I'll
on.
help you guys.
Pulling.
Reset,
Reaper is
you
one?
fight.
Fight lost.
Roman, can you go ball?
Yep. I'm shitted.
I might need to be...
I go Ryan. I'm faster with front.
Yeah. Okay, we just need to look for DPS picks here now.
Okay.
Touch?
Yep.
I will leave my core
Oh
on
my
point.
god. I touched, but
Okay.
no, I did not apparently.
No, you didn't
They
touch.
just CC'd me to fucking oblivion.
That's okay.
That's my bad.
That was close. We just need to work on our ults a little bit more. Kai, call your ult out.
yeah.
And Mew, when you're using Doom Assault, make sure they're at least somewhat grouped up. Don't do it if you can only pull 2 people into it, because they'll be able to shield and use cooldowns. Okay? So rather than using it towards the end of the fight, look at it in the middle. After the cooldowns are just finishing, then we look for the pull Doom. Okay? You don't have to go and engage every time. You can ult even if you stood with the team, because you still travel faster than the whole. Okay?
Okay.
So we play Ana Mercy on defense with standard double shield. Yeah. So Sigma and Ana stand top left high ground, and we're gonna hold the first choke by the statues. Okay.
Okay.
If they come through main, give them a little bit of room. Don't give up the high ground of the Ana and Sigma. On the top left. If they push you, feel free to walk away from them. If they're rotating up there, and rotate to the Orisa.
I'll follow Anna's lead on it.
Yeah. So if you go to the Doomfist, you guys are gonna hold up here with the Doom. Me and Farah and the rest are gonna hold right side.
Okay.
Sigma, try and take a flank angle
Sure.
if you can.
Depends on how they push in. I'll try.
Yeah. So you want to kind of be hitting this area where the Mercy's
Yeah.
shooting, or in here. Okay.
If they
Close.
push here, we're going here.
Yes.
Those
If they
are-
try to push towards point, rotate around the statue, and we play with the statue. Okay. That's a widow.
Widow.
I'm okay. Thanks.
Angle best.
Just don't peek it. McCree Doom.
Pulling.
Nice.
Nice.
They're going top left, and be
Top.
careful.
Free go me.
Can I get shield? Can I get shield to res? Rotate
Yeah,
off, rotate
yeah,
off.
come here.
Yeah.
Oh wait,
I got, yeah.
McCree on
I
your side.
can't kill that.
McCree one.
They're
Resin,
rotating to
resin,
us,
resin,
Anna. That we should probably move back
McCree
up.
one.
I got fire, I got fire.
Is
Anna,
one.
you back.
Doom is on top left.
Play point. Play point.
Go go.
Yeah, we
Yeah, I
can
can't
point.
get you. Play Reaper.
Okay.
Reaper Doom. We'll go Reaper Doom.
Pulling back.
Okay, Moira Lucio. And we're gonna hold close. Guys, listen to Frozen. McCree was on top of us. Focus him down.
And please not engage like that. I don't know what
Yes.
happened there.
We need to cake them, we're on defense. Let's engage on, let's go high ground. And
Yeah,
hold close. We
I
can hold
can,
close.
I can.
Yeah, it's okay.
Let's go
Keep
closer.
holding.
Come here. Come here.
Flip to us
Follow
off.
me.
Flip to us off.
Come with Frozen, guys.
Tanks it down, tanks it down, tanks it down.
Sigma stunned. No,
you're not
no
following
cooldowns.
me.
Keep getting booped back.
Hello?
Watch out,
Okay,
Kai.
you still
You're
go main,
alone.
you still go main. Just play around Reaper. Doom behind Reaper. I got you. You can push him, Okay. They're gonna have Moira ult, they're gonna be close to Doom here. That's
Pulling.
My shield's down.
I have nothing for that.
What is
One,
this?
one.
Reaper
Yeah,
on me.
they're about
Reaper
to-
one, Reaper
Oh,
one.
I'm with you.
Pulling Reaper one.
Is one.
Oh, you go.
Push this wrist, push the
Go,
wrist.
go,
Oh, says one, says one.
No beat,
I have
no
nothing
beat.
for that, isn't it? Pulling Reaper again, left side.
See below.
Reaper's down.
See below.
Push this
Orisa,
wrist.
Orisa. Mora fade.
Push this, speeding on, let's go. Nice. Let's hold
Lucius
short,
above
let's hold
us.
close.
Alright,
Go,
it's back
go.
up.
We hold spawn. Okay, they're gonna have Doom, they're gonna have Reaper, they're gonna have
Okay,
beat.
go high ground.
And Bongo. Take high
Use
ground, we
Doom
look.
behind.
Yeah. Yeah, he's
Reaper.
High ground.
Pulling.
Look for Reaper, look for Bongo Reaper.
There's one behind, there's one behind.
You shot in the book.
I had two. I was forced. Trade.
Reaper TP.
Pulling.
Reaper one, dead.
Nice. One up.
My shield
Doom
broke.
coming behind.
Even.
Pulling. Pulling now. Wait. Okay,
Red-
need to back
red-
out. Pulling.
Yeah, no ults. Regroup. Die on point if you can.
I will die here.
Roman, let's pull back. Wait for the team.
Yeah.
Can anyone else get out? No.
I got up.
Let's go. Okay. Let's use Moira. They're gonna have.
Doom's gone top left.
They're gonna have Doom. They're gonna have Reaper. They're gonna have Bongo. And Beat. Sorry, just Bongo and Beat. We engage with Moira. Look for Doomfist. Look for Reaper early. Okay, let's go
Yeah,
high ground.
top.
Yeah, let's take high ground. Let's take high
Pulling.
ground.
Look at Doomfist.
Look at Doom. Look at
Who's
Doom.
on?
Dead.
Nice.
Take high ground.
Let's take high ground.
There's a
Drop down
Reaper.
to
Reaper dropping.
Ready.
Yeah, they're pushing back.
I got MP7. Where are they?
They backed off.
Yeah.
Nice. Let's go back to choke. Let's go.
Okay. Let's go. Get out of
Ready for the bull.
Pulling.
Lucio one.
There's Doomfist on. Behind.
Doom.
Doom.
T split.
Back up. Reaper's
Look
about
at
to
my
us.
ult. Ulting? No.
No.
Just die on.
You can't die to that at all.
Yeah, we need to punish this Reaper Doom way more than we are, guys. Remember, DPS, you can play passive. We are on defense. They still have Reaper. They still have Bongo. They're gonna have Beat
I
still.
can't set up. We need to set up here.
Yeah,
Follow
come
me,
back.
please.
Play for
Doomfist
front,
on top
play for
there.
front.
Doomfist is on top left.
Got it.
Pulling. There he is.
Get him. He's one.
Okay, ready for the next pull. Ready?
Yeah.
Reaper
There's
low.
Reaper no wait.
Let's
After
play
that,
aggressive.
pull.
Play aggressive.
Pull-
Play aggressive.
pulling.
No cooldowns.
Watch.
Doom. Behind again.
I have no shield. Just heads up. Reaper's pushing him.
Pulling. They're on me at all times. Yeah.
Guys, we need to punish this DPS. We're giving them way too much space. Turn around and focus them. And they're gonna have all that ult
I'm
up
dead.
again, you know?
Pick.
Just regroup and we can go out with the Moira ult. Okay? Moira Sigma.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Up here. Pulling.
Let's go. Take this advantage. I have beat.
Breaking
Watch
dosing
for
machine.
recall, watch
Your
for
ability
recall.
is not Doomfist.
We have
Reaper
Sigma
up here.
already.
Pulling. You guys are pulling.
Reaper half. Above on me.
Nice. Got it.
Team behind.
behind.
Don't one.
I have a Bongo here. Pulling. Pulling now.
Watch for Reaper, watch for Reaper.
He's wasted all. He's in the air.
15 back.
Target! I can't
Dim,
I get pushed out.
Can we contest?
I can get this.
I can.
Left side.
Okay, okay.
Doom is one.
Go 45. Pulling
Focus.
Reaper no wave.
Reaper no shift, Reaper no shift.
Where's the no shield?
Bridge it
Nice.
down.
Reaper.
Play
Falling.
safe, play safe.
Reaper. Do no Sigma shield. Nearly no Sigma. Reaper.
Look at-
Please help. Why?
Hey, it's just supporting you.
I'm coming. Reaper one.
Okay, guys, we